Okay, so I feel like we could talk about like safety procedures, like tornadoes, fire drills, those types of things. And then I also feel like we could just talk about like kind of like day-to-day classroom procedures, like kind of like what they do when they get to school, you know? Like I know in
Yeah,
like
like
some yeah, like the morning routine cuz like I know where I like did my those 5 days of like pre-teaching, she would have like their little morning routine on the board so they like knew exactly what to do. Um
yeah.
and then I guess like we could have like so the safety like day to day and then like science procedures like when we're doing like an experiment or something or kind of
hmm
like
And
just
like the changing subjects, like going from science to math, or
oh
like
like transition procedure. Yeah, okay, that's good too. Um okay, I will this is hard to type while I'm holding this. And then it says so we have how would you determine if students have already learned a procedure or if you need to teach it? I feel like I know in my years of school, like the teacher kind of went, even if we learned like the tornado drill every year, like we kind of went over it every year just as like a refresher. And then
yeah,
I kind of feel like they can change every year, like by your teacher. So like I kind of feel like it's important to talk about each year.
like especially when it comes to like if we're talking about active shooter drills, like each classroom is different, so you'd
Yeah,
have to relearn.
for sure. So and then I guess if you need to teach it, I feel like if we need to teach it, like I know there's like drills for like tornado drills and stuff, so like they could actually go like into the hall and practice like the little position or whatever if some kids like weren't sure how to do that. So I feel like those could definitely be like practice to teach them. And then I feel like the day-to-day things kind of just come with like the teacher explains it, but then just like getting in the routine of things. Like when you get there in the day, like you kind of just know what to do after like coming to school for a while, I feel like.
Yeah, I feel like after the first week of being in school, you should know the morning procedures and like what
Yeah,
you're supposed to do when you get.
definitely.
But if not, I mean, we can always reiterate it as the school year goes on.
True. Oh, can you see me? Okay, I can see you now.
Yes, can you see me?
Yes, I could not. It went out for a second, but you're good now. And then
Okay.
plan a
Okay.
lesson where teaching a procedure is part of the lesson. Hmm.
We could do like a science lesson on tornadoes and like weather, but then also teach the tornado drill. Say like if this
Yeah.
ever happens, then this is what we do.
We could do, so we could make like the tornado in the water bottle where you like put the food coloring and like that could teach them about like, I guess like listening to the science procedures or like following those directions. But then after that, we could be like, now we'll practice if there's an actual tornado, like what we do in the hallway or something like
Yeah,
that. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me go
like
to
it's
the
fun.
slide and add us. Okay. So, let me see if I can hold this. Okay. Actually, I'm going to balance this on here. Okay. So, resuming where we left off. Safety procedures, I guess just like general safety, fire drill, tornado drill, like we called it like code red at my school, but like when like someone's like bad on the premises.
Yeah. We didn't have any names for it really.
Yeah, ours
We
was
just
like, well, we had code yellow is like if someone was like around the school but not like directly on campus, like a real threat then. And then like code red was like if they were like in the school or like on campus. Um, and they had like a safe place and stuff. Fire drills, tornado drills, and I'll say active shooter drills. And then I'm going to make it look prettier once that we hang up because it's hard to make it look good when. And then, okay, the lesson. that we said.
Tornado in a bottle.
Yes. Lesson. So, make tornado in a water bottle. Like, this covers the science, safety, and like listening to directions during an experiment. And then also can teach the tornado drill or tornado procedure during it, after it.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that was list of procedures. Oh, I guess I'll add a little excerpt, like if students have already learned a procedure, be like, we thought it was important to always kind of like go over each procedure at the beginning of the year, just because they might change like year to year, class to class. But I think that's good.
I think it looks good too.
Are you on there?
I am on here.
Oh, okay. Wait, will you type a little, like a little box that says like about like the teaching each year or whatever?
Yes.
Sorry, it's hard to type when I hold this.
I'm gonna put like a little box here. Hold on. I'm gonna set my phone down here and just see like.
Hopefully these all, if not, I'll just send like a screenshot of like, because you can see in the videos like how long they are, so I guess I can show how long we talked.
Okay. I did not spell that right. Okay, I gotta move this box. Okay. Did that look okay?
Yes, that looks good. I think that is all.
I think so too. You got the list of procedures. It does say how you determine if students have already learned a procedure or if you need to reteach it, but like if you're ahead and reteaching it, then it should be fine, right?
Yeah. No, I think, because I feel like when you reteach, like they're relearning it if they didn't already know it. So I feel like that makes sense. That's kind of like why they go over it each year, I feel like. But it looks good to me.
Teach the lesson. Yeah.
I'll go back and like clean up the font and typing just because I'm like weird about that. But it looks good. The content's good. I feel like it's there. We know what to talk about in class, so I think we're good.